Aries, welcome to my channel. So it's a energy check in the middle of the month of May. Okay, so let's see what are the guidance cards for you in the middle month of the May, and we will see what are the messages for you from the guidance angels. Okay, so I'm going to see your past, present and future energies over here, and let's get started. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, and if it resonates, so please do like the video below. All right. Okay, let's see what is there for my Aries in the mid-month of May 2021. What is going on with Aries? Okay, let's see. Okay, all right. So at the back of the deck we have Knight of Cups over here. Okay, what I feel, Aries, you are in a state, you might be feeling very energetic at this time. With the Knight of Cups, it's like a loving energy towards someone. Possibly you might be feeling to propose someone, or you might be feeling to start something new. Basically more about love energy over here with this Knight of Cups. So it also means that you are ready to take an action when it comes to emotions. So some kind of emotional thing going on, you want to take action, but still there is something which is actually stopping you to take that action. All right, so the past energies are, let me just, I don't know why did I put here. Okay, so the past cards are the Hierophant, the Hanged Man and Ace of Pentacles. So we have Taurus and Pisces energy, strong Pisces and Taurus energy, and with the Ace of Pentacles, Taurus, Capricorn and Virgo energy. So in the past it seems that there was a starting of new something. Okay, so this might be a marriage. This might be something related with some customs and traditions and being orthodox, something like that. When you feel that you are with our thinking, when it is right, then it is right. No matter how much somebody want to persuade you, you won't persuade in that thing. So that is but there is a new beginning in something in regards with this situation. But I really feel that you were in that state with the Hanged Man, that no, I'm not going to change. Okay, something wanted to change around you, but you were consistent that no, it's against my rules, so it's my way or the highway. I am not going to change, something like that. Okay, it can be a new beginning with some marriage as well. Somebody made a decision, but still just hanging on in that decision. When somebody want to start a new relationship, a new wedding, new, basically marriage, something like that, but there was just a start to it. It was since the decision was not made, somebody wanted to get married, but because of some situation it just hung up. It can be the COVID reason, it can be. Okay, so in the present energies we have Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Swords and the Fool. Okay, so the reason which can be hung up, a person might be wanting to get married, but not to the person with whom the family is trying to make this happen. I feel that there is somebody else. Okay, There can be two ladies, there can be two men as well. It does not mean about the genitalia. So it feels to me that there is somebody who is wanting two people at a time, with whom to start this new journey with. One is very consistent, one is very mature, she knows how to work, she knows how to manage home, and managerial properties, managerial qualities, sorry, that person has. And the other, this can be a divorcee as well, or a widow. Because it is a widower queen, she is the widow queen of the deck. It can be somebody who is already married, and that is why this person may want to go with this person. Okay, so there is, for some people only, this can be a chance. But with regards with marriage, yes, there is a strong intuition which I feel that there might be somebody who is trying to get big hopes and want to take some risks in life in regards with this, and that is why you just hung up on marriage. You just hung up on the decision which is being made in the past, not yet made that decision, still in that confusion mode, want to start new things with somebody else, but still haven't taken any decision yet. In the future, we have Wheel of Fortune, the Star, and the Eight of Wands. So things are going to speed up really fast in the coming future. If you are hoping for good things to come your way, because it's the Wheel of Fortune, fortune of luck is there. High hopes are also there. So to me, it feels that yes, communication is coming your way. So some things, might be the decision making which is already pending in the past. It might be coming up in the future. Okay, so let me clarify this reading for you. Okay, let's see what the Knight of Cups is here. Well, the Knight of Cups is here. So I have two cards, Ten of Pentacles and the Hermit. Yeah, so this can be this new start with the person, but still the Hermit is also here. So this person might be, so that is what you are into, a state where you want to start new things. You are in love, but with the Knight of Cups, the problem is this person is never serious. After some time, this person gets bored. So that is the thing. Either it's your energy or your person's energy, somebody's energy is here, but because it is not consistent. Okay, and that is the reason with the Ten of Cups and the Hermit, I feel that you are going to get involved in a big family. You have to involve this person in your family, and you need to analyze some situations. Tarot is suggesting you try to analyze what is going on, whether you are right or not. Sometimes you do not have to take a decision in haste. Sometimes you just need to leave for some time and then take a decision with a cool mind. Okay, you might be really pissed off that why people are not letting me do what I am doing. It's my marriage, I need to get married to this person, I want to do it my way. But we need to listen to people around us as well. Okay, let's see why the Hierophant, the Hangman, and the Ace of Pentacles is there. One card for the past energies. The Hanged Man again. Okay, so yeah, it was still hanging up. The past energies are still there in your present, and you're still just trying to analyze the situation with a different perspective. Although people around you are not, you must be trying really hard for them to just look into the situation the way I am looking, and just listen to me. Okay, you are trying to explain people, but nobody is actually understanding. Let's see the present energies. Queen of Pentacles with the Queen of Swords and the Fool. Why these present energies are here? The Emperor. Yeah, this might be your energy. Really this is really strong energy for you, because this person is the Emperor. He is a person who never changes his decision, whatever decision he makes. So this might be your energy, because you are ready to take this new life, new journey. You are ready for that new journey, but you are not thinking of the pros and cons of the situation. You might be really in that, because with the Knight of Cups and the Fool, I really feel that this is an energy of a person. You might not be really older, but you can be older, but the energy is coming really younger energy, when we just want to see that I want this lady, I want this person only. You are not thinking what will happen. For the cross watchers as well, this is like, your person is really at this time, being the Emperor is their energy only. Aries energy, strong Aries energy. Okay, so let's see what are the future energies for my Aries. Wheel of Fortune, the Star, and the Eight of Wands. Knight of Swords. I need one more card. Yeah, it's looking to me, things are going to become really fast. From the past and present, you might be really slow, but the future energies which are coming they are going to go really fast. Communication, action taking, they are going to be fast, but I don't see that they're still thinking on this decision making with the situation. It's just taking a decision in a haste. Somebody is really in a hurry to take a decision. It can be you. King of Pentacles. What else? With the Ace of Swords here. To begin new things, you feel that you are stable to take that decision. You feel that you are mature enough to take this decision, but just taking a decision without thinking, that is what is coming in the coming future. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Aries. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.